Wing 52, Noble 22, nose cold, switch safe, request rejoin.
Copy, nose cold, switch it safe, Wing 52, flight level 220 at 29902, cleared to rejoin.
Noble 22, would you guys mind starting that turn westbound a little early just for the rejoin?
Say again?
Would you guys mind starting that turn back westbound a little early just for the rejoin?
No problem, turn left.
Okay. Noble 22 astern.
2, clear to contact, pulling out. Info. 52 disconnect. You took 4.4.
Copy 4.4, see it.
Noble 21, Wing 52. Noble 21, Wing 52, AR prime.
52, Noble 21, down, 2 miles track.
Noble 21, Wing 52, flight level 220, 29902, cleared to rejoin.
Noble 21.
Pulling out.
Western ready.
21, clear to contact. 52, contact. Tankers coming left.
We'll be back in about 45 for our last one.
Say again for 52.
We'll be back in about 45 for our last
52, copy.
Noble 21's back on station.
Noble 220, 29902, you're cleared to rejoin.
Noble 22, astern.
Noble 22, clear to contact.
Noble 22.
52, contact.
22.
Coming left. 2 disconnect. 22 from 52. Do you want any more gas?
No, that'll be it for me for today. Thank you.
2.8, thanks.
Copy, see you guys. 52, Noble 21, mile.
Noble from Wing 21, flight level 220, 29902, cleared to rejoin.
Copy. On the half mile truck.
Tankers rolling out. 2 contact.
3-1 will be here in about 5.5.
52, copy. You took 3.2.
Noble 3-1, check. 2, Noble 3-1, nose is cold, switch is safe, 299.2 set.
Noble from Wing 52, flight level 220, 29902, cleared to rejoin.
Noble 3-1. 3-1, 2-2. Go. I'm going to get the initial comm going with Boston Center. Are we going to talk? Say again. Just wanted to confirm who was going to do the initial cord with Boston Center. You got the handover to 3-1, and then you can do all the cord. Copy, sounds good. I'll just back here in the wedge. Double 2.
For Wing 52.
Tankers rolling out. Show no flow, 5 to disconnect. 3-1, you took 7.5.
7.5 for 3-1. There's Noble 3-1. Noble 3-1 is AR complete, established AP 200. 2-1 and 2-2 are rejoined and established at 190. For Noble 2-1. 2-1 copies, see it. Good line, that's it.
9 hookups for a total of 48K, 4.
Clear the AP, push aux 11, roll. Go for Noble 3-1. Noble 3-1 has the AP 19 and 21. Noble 3-1. Noble 3-1 copies. The plan will be Noble 3-2 to do the boom check. Noble 3-2 copies, back in the AP, established at the boom check. 1 is 11-3 feeding. 2 is 11-6 feeding.
53, Wing 52, AR prime. Wing 52 is currently flight level 230.
For Noble 3-1. Noble 3-1 Wilco, and that's going to be Noble 3-2 doing the boom check. 3-2. Noble 3-2. 2's radar contact.
Hunters, Wing 53 established in area 20. Wing 53, affirm. Wing 53 Wilco.
Noble 3-2's visual push through.
We'll have them depart at 220 for Wing 53.
Noble 3-2 copies.
Affirm, we're 220, and we'll have Noble 3-2 at 20 as well.
Established 1. It's 9.9.
2 is 11.9. Hunters, Wing 52. Wing 52, off station RTB. Have a good one. See ya.
For Wing 53. Wing 53, 2-1, block.
Hunters, Noble 3-1. 3-1 is visual to tanker, gonna pop up and get some gas. Cold switch is safe, 299 set. I'm currently middle, so it's gonna pop 2 miles.
Wing 53, copy, we're accelerating.
1, Wing 53.
Noble
3-1, boom's coming down. You are clear in astern. 3-1, this is Wing 53. Can you guys want to pass your tail numbers over?
3-1. Hey, firm, stand by 1. Call ready, copy for 3-1.
Ready.
Sierra Whiskey 930550.
Copy, do you have 3-2?
I got the last 3 of his, 042, but if you need the full tail, we'll have that.
Copy that. Ready to copy mine?
Go with data.
1846050.
Got it. And 3-1, I gotta maintain free contact with you. We need to burn about.
No problem. Take our turn left. Contact. Offloading fuel. 483. No flow. Disconnecting now. 4.4. For you, sir.
Keep that one more time.
4.4.
4.4, thank you.
See you in a bit.
53, Noble 32, 10 mile trail, plus return, switch signal.
Wing 53, copy, you're clear to join.
253, you are clear, stern.
32.
Contact. Offload. 3C, would you like us to turn for the sun?
Yeah, whatever's easiest for you guys, that'd be great. No worries if not, though, no big deal.
Take a turn left. Oh, sorry, we're turning right. We're here for you, 3-2. Just let us know what we can do to accommodate.
Sounds good, thanks, guys. That's much better.
No flow, disconnect for you, sir.
Copy 4.8, thanks. See you in a bit. Off to 10.
Copy that.
3-2, status back in the AP.
Wing 53 Noble. Noble 3-1 is full.
Clear to join on 5-3.
5-3, boom down. 3-1, you are clear.
3-1.
Stop loading. 4.
153.
Go for 3-1.
If you guys need to do some runs with the gas, we got plenty of it for you to do so.
Copy that, appreciate it. I think our next one, about another hour.
If you know what I mean.
Copy.
No flow. 2. Oh, 4.3, correction.
Thank you, 4.3.
Noble wing. Noble 3-1, wing 5-3. Noble 3-1, wing 5-3. Noble wing 5-3.
Noble 3-2, 13 miles off your left side, request rejoin, switch signals cold.
And Noble clear to join the tanker.
Noble 3-2.
And Noble, any chance you guys could burn some extra fuel to take more?
Challenge accepted.
Yeah, we're going to need some landing gross weight adjustments.
3-2 visual. I'll just be back here in 2 Mile Trail and afterburner for a bit.
Copy that. Noble 3-2, would you want to do an afterburner over our right wing?
Most definitely.
Nice, thanks.
Be taking about 5,500 now.
Awesome.
Well, we got about 90,000 pounds if you need it, just so you know.
Yeah, if you want to do like 6 more of those.
Do one more. Do you guys want anything else?
That sounds great, thank you.
3-2.
Contact. No flow, disconnecting. 0.4 for you, 3-2. Thanks for the work today and the show.
Copy 6.4. Thanks for the help, guys. Have a safe trip back.
Oh, in total all day, 12.7. Sorry about that.
12.7.
Yeah.
And Noble wing 5-3, you're clear to join.
Not a bad view tonight.
It's beautiful in my black and white screen.
Are you a purebred in the Pegasus, or did you ever get a window?
I had 7 flights in the window, but I never did fighters in the window, so that's sad. 3-1, we're hoping you could do us a solid as 3 did too. Do some afterburner over to our right wing so we can give you more fuel. We can go home sooner.
Yeah, she's trying to offload.
As much as you'll take.
25 grand before we can land.
We have 25K before we can land, so.
Copy. I can probably help you with an extra 1,000.
Okay, that's helpful. Any amount.
3-1.
3-1, 5-3.
Go for 3-1. Stand by. Alright, I'm about at my mid fuel, so.
And clear contact. Return to stern. Contact. Thing.
So what's a good contact number? Or actually, how about I give you a number? So I might have some share as well.
Yeah, I'll give you a number right now.
Yeah, it'd be easier if you write down mine. So sweet.
And that was 4.4. Thanks so much for the work today, sir.
Appreciate it, and hopefully you guys are stuck it out here as well.